Okay, what's up YouTube? Here I am, bored as hell on a Saturday. I got a few things we're going to do here. This is a Cybertron from Black Cat. I'm going to throw this whole pack of M150s in the fire. We're going to start off with a few of these color changing fire packets here. I don't know. There's like 10 of them in there. I'm going to chuck these in the fire and see what that does. I almost went to Pyro City today. I decided not to, but look what it does. It's really mint. Look at that, turning the fire all cool as they burn. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's like turning it green, all kinds of colors. So you get a free packet every time you buy something over at Pyro City. So I just figured it would be worth making a video on. So now we're going to do these M150s. I don't know, I think there's 12 in a pack or 10, I'm not sure. Looks like 12. So we're just going to chuck these in the fire, see what happens. Stand back. Get ready for epicness. While we're waiting for those to blow up, I'm going to get this Cybertron ready. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to do. Oh! There goes two of them. Oh! Damn. Blowing shit all over the place. Pretty loud. I don't know if they're done yet. That fire looks so mint right now. Okay, so that actually blew shit all the way over here. Look at that. Damn. Alright. So now, we're going to do this Cybertron. I got to find my GT lighter. So here's what it looks like. I think it's supposed to spin or something. So I'm going to set it up here. Let's see what this shit does. I don't have a... looks like it's going to be lighted up here. Alright, let's see what this shit does. Oh wow, that is so mint. I had no idea it was going to do this. I didn't know it was a fountain. It kind of spun. Oh, there we go. That's awesome. That was epic. Look at all the smoke. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this damn thing. I gotta tell you, I was surprised. I thought it was awesome. We out of here.